Parsley here to see her favorite student, that is you. I have a sack of different kinds of spheres. And some people call these balls or circles spheres because it's a three-dimensional circle. We have all different kinds, different colors, different textures. So we can just investigate these and let my student feel and the different textures, and they make different sounds when you smash them. So these are things you could just collect over time. They have these everywhere. This came as a set, I believe. Well, some of them were in the set. So you can also do some color things here. Can you hand me the orange ball? Oh, there's one. Yes. Can you find me another orange ball? Yes. So they're the same color right here. Can you tell me which one is the biggest? Oh, that's tricky. That's tricky. Okay. Now that's tricky because it's not solid, most kids are not going to pick that one. And it looks to be a little bit bigger, but they're really close in size, so I would accept either answer there. Which one is the smallest?
This one.
Yes, there we go.